What's the difference between a router and a spindle, and which should you use on a CNC machine? Both spin a cutting tool, but they're built for very different levels of duty. Routers are designed for handheld use. They're affordable, but louder, less consistent at low RPMs, and not meant to run for long, continuous cutting cycles. The motors are typically brushed, which wear out over time and need to be replaced. Spindles are built specifically for CNC work. They're quieter, more accurate, designed for long run times, and offer better speed control and torque. That's why we choose spindles across all of our machines. Because spindles provide better surface finish, longer tool life, and more consistent results over time. If you're planning to use a CNC regularly, a spindle is simply the more reliable long-term solution. If you got other CNC questions, feel free to send them my way.